Many people have goals, but they don't start. Today, I want to share my goals with you, and maybe you will think about yours too. Hello and welcome to Slow English Flow. I am Akın, and today I have 4 goals to share with you. Let's go. My first goal is to learn new languages. I already speak Turkish and English, but I want more. I want to learn Spanish. Millions of people speak Spanish. In Spain, in Mexico, in South America. I want to travel to these places and talk to people in their own language. I also want to learn Arabic. Arabic is different from English. The letters are different, the sounds are different. It is not easy. And that is exactly why I want to learn it. A new language is not just words. It is a new way to see the world. Do you speak more than one language? What language do you speak? Tell me in the comments. My second goal is very different. This one changed how I listen to music. I want to play bass guitar at a high level because I already play a little. I know the basics, but a little is not enough for me. I want to go further. Bass guitar is interesting. In a song, sometimes you don't hear it clearly, but when it is gone, you feel something is missing. The bass is the foundation of the music. It holds everything together. When I play the bass guitar, I forget everything else, and I want to feel that more. Do you play an instrument, or is there one you want to learn? My third goal, and I have wanted this for a long time, and I know exactly where I want to go. I want to visit Italy. Italy has so much history. Old buildings, beautiful streets, incredible food like pizza or pasta. I want to see Colosseum in Rome. People built it almost 2000 years ago with their hands. No computers, no machines like today. Just people, stone and time. I want to stand there and feel that. Not just look at a photo, but actually be there. Is there a country you really want to visit? Where do you want to go? My last goal is to become a really good English teacher. I want to help people learn English in a calm, simple and natural way. No stress, no pressure. Just real English slowly. This channel, Slow English Flow, is part of that goal. Every video I try to do better, speak more clearly, explain more simply. And this is where you are part of this process. When you watch, when you comment, and when you ask me questions, you help me become a better teacher. We grow together. So, if this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video and write your goal in the comments in English if you can. I will read every single one. So, back to my question. Many people have goals, but they don't start. Don't wait too long. Start small, start today. Thank you for watching Slow English Flow. See you in the next video. Bye.